Multiplying integers. These are the positive and negative numbers. Let us remember the rules if we are going to multiply integers. Positive times positive is equal to positive. Negative times positive is equal to negative. Positive times negative is equal to negative. And negative times negative is equal to positive. Examples. Number 1, positive 5 times positive 7 is equal to positive 35. Remember, positive 5, positive 7. Positive times positive is equal to positive. Number 2, negative 3 times positive 4. Negative times positive is equal to negative. So the final answer should be a negative number, and that is equal to negative 12. Number 3, negative 10 times positive 3. Negative times positive is equal to negative. So the answer for number 3 is equal to negative 30. Number 4, negative 6 times negative 4. The two numbers are negative. Negative times negative is equal to positive. So our answer for number 4 is equal to positive 24. Number 5, 0 times negative 6 is equal to 0. Any number that is multiplied to 0 is equal to 0. Practice. You can comment your answer below.